a vertical asymptote is a line where the graph is not gonna, it's gonna get really, really close, but it's not gonna touch it, it's not gonna reach it. And a horizontal is the same, but it's gonna be a horizontal line. And then the slant one is gonna be a little bit different, which we'll talk about when we get there in a second. So for example, 5, it says find all the vertical and horizontal slants. And these slants, you can see them with these dotted lines. So let's do the vertical ones first. So here I have a vertical line, and that is passing at x equals 2. So that would be my vertical asymptote. Horizontal asymptote is going to be this dotted line here, which passes at y equals 1. And so those are the asymptotes for that graph. For this one, for the vertical asymptotes, we have this line here, which is at x equals 2. And then we have this line here, which is at x equals -2. And then the horizontal asymptote, if you notice, you don't see any dotted line that is horizontal. However, notice that the behavior of this graph is getting really, really close, but it's not going to cross over that x-axis. So there is a horizontal asymptote, and it's at y equals 0. So at y equals 0, the graph is not going to cross this x-axis. And then for the third graph, you don't see any horizontal or vertical dotted lines. This is going to have what we call a slant asymptote. And a slant asymptote is basically a asymptote, and the equation for that is y is equal to x. So it's this line right here. It's a linear equation at y equals x.